Article 517 does not specify a length limit for hospital-grade alternating current fixture whips in patient rooms. However, National Electrical Code Article 400.12 generally requires that fixture widths not exceed firstly 18 inches for general lighting fixtures and secondly 36 inches for recessed lighting fixtures. Yes, hospital-grade alternating current can be run from emergency fixture to emergency fixture in corridors. This is a common practice to interconnect emergency lighting fixtures in areas where multiple fixtures are provided. No, hospital-grade alternating current should not be run inside the manufacturer-provided chase that runs from the ceiling to the head wall. The chase is typically designed for low-voltage wiring, such as nurse call systems, and may not have the fire-resistant properties required for hospital-grade alternating current cable. Instead, the hospital-grade alternating current cable should be routed outside of the chase, either through conduit or through the ceiling plenum space.